Empowering healthy habits. Hey, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the great debate: treadmill versus elliptical. Which cardio machine will reign supreme? Stick around to find out. Cardio machines are an essential part of any fitness routine, and the treadmill and elliptical are two of the most popular options. Both machines offer effective workouts, but they cater to different needs and preferences. In this video, we'll compare the benefits and drawbacks of each, and help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. Benefits of treadmills. Treadmills are versatile, offering a range of workout options, including walking, jogging, and running. This versatility allows users to target various muscle groups and switch up their workouts to prevent boredom. In addition, treadmills are great for simulating outdoor running conditions, making them an ideal choice for runners training for races or marathons. Many modern treadmills offer adjustable inclines and speed settings, allowing you to mimic outdoor terrain and challenge yourself with interval workouts. Treadmills also provide an accurate measure of distance, speed, and calories burned, making it easy to track your progress and set achievable fitness goals. Drawbacks of treadmills. One of the main concerns is the impact on joints, particularly for those with existing injuries or conditions. Running and walking on a treadmill can be tough on the knees, hips, and ankles, potentially leading to discomfort or injury. Another drawback is that treadmills typically require more maintenance than ellipticals, as belts can wear out and motors may need occasional servicing. Additionally, treadmills can be noisy, especially at higher speeds, which may be a concern if you live in an apartment or share your living space. Benefits of ellipticals. One of the main advantages of ellipticals is their low-impact nature. The smooth, gliding motion puts less stress on the joints, making them a great option for those with joint issues or recovering from injury. Ellipticals also provide a full-body workout, as most machines have moving handlebars that engage the upper body while the lower body works on the pedals. This allows for a more balanced workout and can help you burn more calories in a shorter amount of time. Furthermore, ellipticals offer a variety of resistance levels and workout programs, allowing you to customize your workout and keep it interesting. Drawbacks of ellipticals. One concern is that they don't provide the same natural feel as walking or running, which may not appeal to some users. Additionally, because ellipticals don't offer as much versatility in terms of speed and incline adjustments, they may not be the best option for those looking to train for outdoor events. Lastly, ellipticals can be a bit more difficult to master for beginners, as the movement pattern may feel unnatural at first. However, with practice and proper form, most users quickly adapt. Choosing the right machine. The best cardio machine will ultimately depend on your individual fitness goals, preferences, and physical condition. If you're a runner or training for a race, a treadmill may be your best bet. Its ability to mimic outdoor running conditions can greatly enhance your training. Treadmills are also excellent for high-intensity interval training, which can be a powerful tool for weight loss. On the other hand, if you're seeking a low-impact, full-body workout, or if you have joint issues, an elliptical might be the right choice for you. It's also a great option if you're just starting out or returning to exercise after a long break. Keep in mind, both machines can provide an effective cardio workout, help burn calories, and improve cardiovascular health. It's all about finding the machine that best suits your needs and feels most comfortable for you. So, which cardio machine reigns supreme? Well, it's a bit of a draw. Both the treadmill and the elliptical have unique benefits that make them suitable for different people. The key is to choose the machine that aligns with your individual needs, goals, and preferences. After all, the best exercise is the one you'll actually enjoy and stick with. Before we wrap up, remember that variety is also an important part of any fitness routine. Don't feel like you have to stick to one machine exclusively. Mixing up your workouts can keep things interesting, prevent muscle imbalances, and help you avoid plateaus. So why not try both? Alternate between the treadmill and the elliptical to get the best of both worlds. Most importantly, listen to your body. If something feels wrong or uncomfortable, make adjustments or seek advice from a fitness professional. That's it for today's video. Hopefully, we've provided some valuable insights into the treadmill versus elliptical debate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fitness tip. Stay strong and keep moving, folks. Until next time.